Yo, what's going on today, man? Okay, today what we gonna do today, man? We gonna do an unboxing, man, on the iPad Mini 6, and yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing on the iPad Mini 6 and the Apple Pencil Generation 2. You know what I mean? Second gen, which is this right here. I don't know if my light too bright to keep it above. I have to dim this mug down, so let's go like that. So basically, we're gonna unbox this, and we're gonna unbox the Apple iPad Mini 6. This is the 256 gigabyte version. This is Wi-Fi plus cellular. And yeah, we're gonna do it like that. So let me go on and get this off. Put that in that trash. Let me do a little bit of adjusting, gentlemen and ladies. Let's see. This shit is, what kind of fucking box is this? Normally it just, excuse my French, guys. Okay, so there's the box. And here's the device. Ooh, this is so light. This is so light. And got your Apple stickers inside here with your booklets, pluck them and file them. Type C to Type C cable wire with your 20-watt wall adapter, which I will be keeping in this box. Well, actually, I'm actually gonna take it out the box because I'm gonna put that in my bag for when I'm on the go. And here's the wire, so you can see. And let me get that right there. Oh, shaky bumpy gang. My bad, guys. Alright, so now what we got here is this is the device. What I'm gonna do now is I should just go on, well, I was gonna put the screen protector on it as soon as I take it out the wrap, but I guess I'll just do that at a later time. Yeah, cause it looked like somebody, the manufacturing fingerprint when they did it, that's how it looked, front and back. This is the Starlight, and man, I have to tell you, it's gorgeous. Oh wow. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take this out. Okay. And I'm gonna go on and power this baby on after I put this wire in it. It's a short wire, it's not that long. It's not that long, but hey, it'll get the job done. Right, and this is a fingerprint scanner up here, so let's power this baby on. Dramatic, power on. It's so lightweight, man. This thing is like a little phone. Let's see what we're dealing with here. I'm feeling this one, and this is Type C port. You do have your volume rockers at the top this time on the Mini 6 right there, and you got your power button with a fingerprint scanner infused in the power button. At the bottom, you got your speakers and your Type C port. At the top, you got additional speakers. I guess they speakers. And right here, you got the 12 megapixel camera with your LED flash. And in the front, you got that 12 megapixel with that center stage. And yeah. I mean, basically, that'll do it. That would do it for the unboxing. Alright. And it should already have a SIM inside this baby. Yeah, because I got this on Verizon. Did it come with a SIM? I'm not sure if this came with a SIM, but you can't put a SIM in it, so it couldn't have came with a SIM. Okay, well that's it, guys. That'll complete the unboxing for this device. Oh, let me not forget to unbox the Apple Pencil 2. Generation 2. I almost forgot. So let me get this. Oh, yep. That's how you do it. Boom. And boom. I guess, I don't know what I guess this is the normal books and shit. Pluck them and file them. Shout out to Flossie Carter. Yeah. And here's the pencil. Nothing special. It's just, that's the Apple Pencil 2nd Gen. Alright. That would do the trick. You guys have a good one. Please hit that like and subscribe to the channel, man, for more content. And I'll be back with a new another more unboxings in the near future.